Hey, I'll just give me a moment. Okay. Let me do one thing. It's going to be on for like 30 minutes here. And then we're going to move over to the Wolf. A little giveaway. Okay. So we're going to be doing a giveaway today. We'll talk about that giveaway soon. Hey, what's up, Michael? How you doing? Good morning. Play today? I don't know yet. I'm going to give it a few minutes, see how the market reacts. We were down in pre-market, and we are currently gapping up a little bit, but you can see some weakness here, some curling, and the price action leading lower. So I would have shorted this. I probably should have shorted this on futures. I mean, look at the price action, curling, leading lower, both the EMAs flattening out now and curling, what even before this move started to the downside. So you had a good possibility of a downside move there. Again, look at the wick starting to form. Wick. Look at the slowing down of this move. Slow. Curling. Again, simple price action, simple look of the eye. Could do you wonders. Okay. Market opens here in 4 minutes. Good morning. Again, for those that are joining in, I'm only going to be doing this for about 45 minutes, do that giveaway, hopefully get some trades in. And then we're going to move over to the Wolf Live. I also have PT, just around 11 o'clock. So, yeah, that's why. It's two loadings there. Oh, man. Well, every time I come on this live, I gotta yawn. It's like so weird. Every time. Okay, let's see. Heat Seeker Qs 595 to 580. Pretty wide range there. SPY 649 still there. Obviously, this could all change at open, which it will. NVIDIA. Okay, 17, 13. Tesla 415. Microsoft 45. Okay. Man, we are starting the technically $4,500 spread today. Spread challenge today. A lot of people requested it. Again, if you want to follow that, check the link at the bottom of the page here, the bullettradefinder.net, and use code BTF. Yes. I'll send the Wolf Live when we move over. How am I feeling today? Do you think we go lower? Very possible, but I do think a bounce should be had. Yes, we'll be doing that. And do I ever do spreads on Tesla or other Mag 7? Yes, I have. I would have to clean all of that shit. I'll do this another time. I'm cleaning all this. Wish there was a way. Is there a way? Could I make these all open? That would be amazing. That'd save me a lot of time. No, that's not gonna work. Okay. Here's what it is. I'll have to just do it. Okay. Our prop firm account for spreads up 2,500 in 3 days. Doing really well there. You see here, 2,500. Yesterday's was the highest profit at 1.25. It says the average trade is this only because it counts the buy sides as a loss, and yeah, I need to get this down to 30, and I got one more trading day to also pass as well as get another 2,500 on the account. So far so good. So far so good. Market opens here in 40 seconds. So we're going to start that spread challenge today that people requested. We're going to be doing a giveaway. Gonna be good. Gonna be good. Hey. Oh, all my lights just went. Oh boy. Okay, pop here at the open. Okay, now that the dog's quiet down, we could change that. Okay, let's see. Okay, video coming down, market's coming down. Again, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to ask. Just watching here, seeing how the market reacts. So far, so good. Trying to hold that 50 SMA right there on a smaller time frame. Okay, come on. I see something break out here. Still rejecting here. So we're rejecting this level right here. Still, we're getting this up wicks where buyers cannot get through. Sellers are pumping it down, pushing it down. Let's check out Heat Seeker. See the updated now. So yeah, same like 595 to 580 is where kind of like chop around 649 to 660. Just want to see how far we can go out on these. Go out pretty far and get money. Anything on this? No. Okay, let's give it a. Okay, but they are buying these dips. Something to consider. They are buying those dips. But they're still rejecting it. Trying out a new product for everyone. I don't know if you guys heard of it, Alertify. Let me just try something here. Settings. Copy subscriber. Okay. Cool. I just want to see if that works. Okay. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Give us a move. Still weak here. Still weak here. Come on. Oh my god, this freaking dog. Damn dogs. Damn dogs. Love my dogs though. Okay, still chopping around here. Still trying to hold up. Holding at 90 MA on the 15. Closing above it on the 10. We could look for a long here. Like, my mind says long, especially after yesterday's move. Got to get some sort of bounce. Not saying that bounce could be short lived, but again, I'm still going to give this a little bit of time for safety. And see if we can get above those high wicks here and break above that pre-market high. Oops. I believe it's pre-market high. Yes, pre-market high. So our pre-market high is this top wick candle here at 291. In my opinion, we do it. In my opinion, we do it. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Still weak though. Again, this is why I'm not trading this yet. I want to see us break out of this range. Basically, what I want to see is break out of this range of the 159 to the 296. As crazy as that sounds, a very wide range there. But I mean, after a day like yesterday, you want to see this price action kind of give us a shot here. Yeah, I gotta wait for a little confluence. They've been gunning for this 649 on SPY for the past few days. I have a feeling that's going to be a spot. Looks like they're gunning for 630 for 1128 as well, which is Wednesday, Thursday. No, that's Friday's expiration because we close on Thanksgiving. That's Friday's expiration. Let's see. Oh, okay. So 680 to 630. Okay. 680 to 630. So put on the Friday 28 DTE. Let's see this. Sold the 26,200. Bought the 26,225. What did that put it at? 3. Okay. And then sold the 2275. Bought the 50. Okay. Yeah, I like that. I like that trade. Very cool. Here, let's get back to this. Okay, so again, they're holding it here. My mind says we push higher, but we are getting continued rejection. Yeah, we have data. Yep, correct. I like to wait for data, usually 9:45, 10. Get out of the way. Still rejecting there. Again, until they break this range, I'm not trading it. If we break out one direction or the other, I'll look for spreads, but I usually want to wait until after that data for sure. For spreads, I wait until around 10:30 too. And then for, yeah, I'll look for actual longs and shorts or shorts. Yes. Just waiting to see a directional break out of these two levels right here. I mean, at least these two levels, but I would really like to see directional break out of this level to this level. I mean, that's where we've been chopping for the last 2 hours exactly. Come on, give us something here. Just about being patient, waiting for that right setup. Still chopping around here. Still chopping around here. Again, nothing to go crazy for yet. Why does that do that? Can this get bigger? There we go. Much better. And counts and orders. Yeah, we can get rid of this. want to see the price there. Perfect. All right, we're trying to break below. So far, doing it. Let's see how this reacts. Okay, so far lower. I still want to see a comeback now, or at least an area here. Market went red. VIX is probably spiking. Yep, VIX is spiking. So we get a move over VIX over 2850. That is interesting. Next would be 30. 2050, then 30. Any move over like 35, I want to be long, like a month out on calls, because there will be a bounce at some point. I want to take advantage of that. Not saying it happens. Okay, they're trying to bring us right back into that range. Right back into that, or they were trying to bring it right back into that range. Oh wow, rate odds increased. Okay, interesting. Watching Google for a possible short if it weakens again at the 300 area. Major, 3-point drop there? Yeah, $2.50 drop. So watching Google if we reject that area. And NQ, look, they brought us right back into that range. I think that might have been the dip we needed to break higher. Let's see if that is true. But watching Google to see if it rejects here around 300, maybe even 303, 304. This will be a good trade. So I do want to keep that one on watch. I do want to keep that one on watch. Let's see if we do it. Let's see if we do it. Okay, so NQ just dropped 40 points there. Google is trying to push higher. Come on, let's see. Come on. If we start to reject that 300, that's going to be an area just short. NQ now can't get above the 50 SMA right here at 226. Let's see if it does that. Google getting right to that 300 now. Let's see, what else is there? What is up a lot today? Anything? Reddit? Let's check Reddit for a second. By the way, this level's getting higher in value. Look at that. Let's see what plays out there. Reddit 190 and 180. Let me guess, it bounced off that fucking 180 shit. No, it didn't. So Reddit 190. Let's keep a watch there. Okay, so now let's do something here. No. Let's do this. Reversals. What do we have here? Bam, 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 bam. MNQ, Google, Reddit, MNQ. Buy, X. All right, Google's pushing higher. Watching Google and Reddit for possible shorts. Watching MNQ for a possible long. I know that's kind of contradicting at least the Google because it's the Mag 7, but watching. We'll keep that on watch. VIX is heading lower here. So far, we're trying to push higher. Yeah, the weekly candle is death. Yes. We're going to do that giveaway very soon, by the way. And then it will be sent out to you. So Thursday, ETR. Let's see. Apple. Where are we at on Apple? 265. 265 to 272. Yeah, 265 to 272. Let me guess. Damn, start of the day at 265. Shit, I really gotta check those a little bit beforehand. Okay, pushing higher. Let's see if we could break that upper end. Now, possible they even wick like they did on the bottom end, but we will see when we get there. Again, I'm in no rush to trade anything. No rush. Okay, Reddit coming into that level. It's really 190. Let me move that up. Reddit coming into that level. Google is stalling a little bit with the wick at least. We'll see how that plays out. How the market reacts. Market is pushing. We're about to break over opening highs. Did we just get a wick above it? Might have. If not, we're about to push through it. There we go. Opening high breakout, and we got pre-market high breakout. I mean, not breakout, sorry, new highs. So we got a high over the pre-market high and the opening. Yes. With the fear index, it was at like 5 or 6 yesterday. And you can see we're rejecting that right now. Okay, so far, Reddit also rejecting. See, Reddit on the daily has a 9 EMA right there. Actually, kind of perfect. Kind of perfect. I want to see if we get these EMAs curling now, because Reddit could easily have a drop of $4 to $5. Probably should have grabbed something right there. Let's see, do we have EMAs? Oh, no, I forgot that this repped. Okay, 2 upper wicks. Upper wicks kind of move slowing down. Let's see what the EMAs do here. Don't worry, they will give us a chance to short back at 300. Reddit, wow. Okay, Reddit was just a miss. Shit. Yeah, that went right to the 190 and instantly dropped 250. I probably should have just targeted that and got a starter. So on Reddit, yeah, that's a missed opportunity there. But on Reddit, we had a king. Well, we had a king node at 190. Shit. Yeah, that was a good one. Especially when I saw that wick, I should have did it. And look at that rejection. Look at that rejection. Okay. If we get a bounce to 350, possibly look. Maybe even got an opportunity again on Reddit. Let's see. But yeah, that was a quick one. Yeah, let's see what we have on the call side. On the call side, nothing crazy. Okay. What do we have on Tesla? $415, $420, and $380. Let me see. I just want to see. Put on Tesla. What do we get going that far out? Come on. Not that far. So 415. You get fucking nothing. Yeah, you get. Well, actually, I shouldn't say you get nothing. But the Qs will be better. Okay. Yeah, Reddit was a mess. Fuck. Damn, I should have grabbed that short at 180. I mean 190. Okay, Google. Get it bounced back up to 300 or just over it. Sorry to see some weakness. So Google, I'd be looking at 297.5 puts for today. If we get back up, come on. Did I really just miss both of those trades? Trying to be really patient there. I might have. NQ still chopping. Has not broken the range other than a wick. Hopefully they support this a little bit. Get us to move back. Reject. Bam. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yeah, I missed it. Wow, I suck. I stink. I stink. That's frustrating. Oh my god. Those contracts just went $150 a contract. Damn. That was an easy trade. Easy trade. Both of these were easy trades. That's frustrating. That's frustrating. Market looking weaker. Let's see if we can break those lows of the open. It's perfectly fine. I was trying to be too safe with everything. Happens. Wait for the next one. There's always another opportunity. Almost had a Tesla like yesterday. Tesla was absolutely crazy. Let's go to Tesla. We shorted the literal, and I mean literal top right here. Right fucking here. Those contracts went over $1,000 a contract. 427 all the way down to 400 at close. Over $1,000 a contract. I think it was $1,300, like $1,330, something like that. That was an amazing trade. Okay. Next watch, Apple. My next watch is Apple. We will get weakness at one point. And I will be there to take advantage of it. And I will not miss this trade. Oh, always another trade. You gotta listen. I've been trading for 10 plus years now. Always another trade. I've missed so many trades. It is what it is. So they did break a new low, trying to wick it here again. Look at that. See what they do. I have no trade on NQ yet. I mean, in reality, we could have traded what I said. Short the top possibly, and buy this range, other than this candle, but. Netflix, Tesla. Ooh, MasterCard? What do we have here? Nope. RCL? Nope. Reddit? Survey. That was an upsetting one. The snowman? Does the snowman have anything down here? 225. That's too far. Dell? No. Trying to see something that's like in a one direction move. Target. Ooh, Target. Target just supported around 85. Rejection area around 88, possibly. Okay. Target is on watch. Google's coming back up. Keep that on watch too. I said 88. So let's just mark something there if we get there. It's pretty damn far. Especially, I've seen Target have really nice moves. Okay, we'll watch this for a rejection and slowing down. I'm a reversal trader, so that's why you're going to see me focus on those. Again, did have a lower low here, but strong bounce. Let's see how that plays out. Reddit, we're going to take you off. We will keep Google on because there may be another possibility there for a double tap. Yeah, I know. Dude, the Google 297.5s, I was looking at them at 120. They went to, I just saw them at like 250 something. Hold on 1 second. Let's see. Their high was at 304 a few minutes ago. And when I was first looking at them, they were at 120. But that was over 150% there, 160% in just minutes. We'll get something, Ty. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm not leaving without a trade for you guys. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Okay, so they're loading this up, 85 and 86. So they're going to push it to that 88, it looks like. Okay, good. Good. Push it for us. I want to short it. That'll be our best opportunity to get a trade on that. What else do I have to look at? Let's see. I said Apple. Yes, keep going. Hood. Nope. I want to see one directional stuff. That's what I'm. UNH. Okay. ECU. Too small of a stock for me right now. UNH, we have to keep on watch. Best Buy, another one. Okay. That's not on here. UNH is 315, 320, 320. Okay. Okay, I know Best Buy just had a really crazy. Okay. See if we get there. Oh, no. Not that. Okay. BBY and Apple. Okay. We got our name set up. Now we just watch. Come on, Target. Get another $1.60. We got our name set up. Let's see it happen now. Rejection there. Again, 50 SMA. Look at that golden line. I know I have a lot of stuff here. I'm sorry. At least for NQ I do. Okay. Double rejection. Okay. We're going to start a starter in Apple. Why is this not working on my account? Apple 267.5 puts at 0.84. Let me see if this works now. So Apple 267.5 puts at 0.84. So we started it because a double top at 270, or almost at 270. There we go. Told you I wasn't letting you guys leave without one of those. Come on. Drop it down. Drop it down. Break under that. Come on. All right, Google's done. We're going to cut that off. I'm still watching Target and Best Buy as well for another trade. Come on, baby. 267.5 puts. Let's go. Let's see what I'm at already. Oh, they're flat as shit. I thought we would be up like at least 15% there on that 50-cent drop. I mean, we're green, but like a couple pennies. That would be like at least 10, 15. Go on, break under that 9. They got volume point of control that just popped up here. Let's check the 3, 5, 10. 2 minute isn't curling yet. They may want to push it a little bit higher, but I'm ready for anything. Best Buy. Best Buy is actually going to that level. Good. 50 SMA and the 21 EMA right there in the daily. Major move. I'm going to size into that Best Buy when we do get there. Hopefully we do to get there. Target, same thing, 88. Come on. NQ weak. Lower end of that bar there. Come on, Apple. Drop with the market. Let's go. Cut the shit. May gave us an ad opportunity here. Once we start to see these EMAs curl low, that's going to be even bigger. So we had a nice move up. Okay. Didn't play that. But then we start to see wicks, little dip, move up, smaller move, wicks, double top rejection. So let's see. Just need to be patient. Down a few cents now on those. Again, only a starter. Probably taps at 269.50. May even go for 270. I just want to check again. Was it 272.5? Yeah, 272.5. 272.5. Okay. NQ. New low a day are going there. And Apple's still trying to hold like it always does. It just does the opposite for some reason. That Google trade was a miss. Damn. Let's see Reddit probably at 184. No, it's still 186. Okay, I think Apple just got a new high. Yeah, it did. Again, this may go a little bit more. Again. So next rejection would probably be around here. Look at all the wicks you have here. But right around here, or like here. So look at all these openings, closings, and wicks right around here. Right around the 270 to 270.60. If it goes higher, I don't see it going that much higher other than that. And what did Apple do yesterday on that? I'm going to guess and say, yeah, okay. Took an absolute ass beating. By the way, right here, perfect candle setup. This is a evening star reversal. Big green rejection reversal candle. And then you get a close under that previous one. Strong setup there. It usually continues downside. Okay, Apple, I'm going to add. I added 2 more contracts on Apple. I'm going to slowly size into this if it goes a little bit higher. Apple 267.5 put for today's expiration. And I got 0.73. Again, car. I'm perfectly fine with that. We'll see how that plays out. No new low yet. Come on, Best Buy. Keep going. That's going to be a good trade. Best Buy and Target if they get up there. Come on. Best Buy and Target. Keep going. Keep going. Apple to me looks like it is going to try to break above again. I could be wrong. I mean, hey, I added on that bounce. That's what you want to do. You want to be adding kind of against you, especially if it's within um, what's it called, your level strategy. I want to see this EMA start to curl. Again, this is our third time rejecting with upper wicks, that 269.52 level. Market does not look that pretty. Looks like it actually wants to bear flag here, possibly down and break that new low and go high, go lower. We'll see if that works out or if that happens. Watching Best Buy, that's the next closest one. For this one, we're going to start to wait for an EMA curl. No new entries. I am just in the Apple contracts, which are great ad there. Now looking better. Waiting for Target and Best Buy to get up there. And we got a new low there on the day. I am looking for spreads very, very soon. Just nothing yet. We want to see Apple break below this 21 EMA right here at 260. I mean, really, we want to see it break below this 268 where it supported before. That's where we really want to see it. That would put us in the money in those 267.5s as we push lower there. We'll see if that happens. Come on. I want to see Best Buy get up there. That's going to be a good trade. Okay. Look at how the EMA is curling. I know you can't really see it behind the candle. Starting to curl. Kind of wish this one was already flattening, but not yet. But we are going to get there at some point. Again, market just got a big bounce. 70 points, 80 points. That's why Apple just had that bounce too. VIX did go green though on the day. First time all day. Come on. We may not get to those levels. I may have to open a position earlier. Let's see if the E may start to reject. If we just start to see some candle reversals. Come on, baby. Give me something here. Oh, Trump is talking. Did not know that. Shit. There we go. Dropping there. Hold on. Let's see if we get a bounce back, which we most likely will. VIX is now really pushing. Starting to accelerate on volatility. Whichever one gives a bounce back. It's probably wicks above the 9. No, motherfucker. Bastards. Come on. Don't go. Don't go. Don't do it. Oh, they're doing it. Come on, give me like a little bounce. Oh, the Best Buy contracts are ass. Hold on, we're not going to trade Best Buy. The spread is like extremely bad. Like very, very bad. If you pull up the Best Buy contracts, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about there. Okay, market heading lower. And of course, Apple just going totally against that. Every other name dropping except Apple. I'm watching it. So that 27.60. Want to see rejections there. If we break above that, probably have to close it. Big bounce in the market there. 100 and something points. Target leading higher. Stop loss is going to be like 0.50-ish on these. Oh, let's see if they could bring us right under that 269.50. I bet they probably just rip it higher, though. Fix is still high. Okay. Target again. Let's check this. So that 88. 88. Target about to see new high. Best Buy about to see new high. Yeah, we can't trade this. The spreads on this are horrific. So I'm going to take that one off. Let's see what else we got here. So they're trying to support it. I do want to look at... Wait a second. Never mind. UNH is getting higher. $320. Okay. UNH 320. Market leading higher. Shit. Okay. Let's see here. First thing I want to do. Open a put spread on Vanquish, because it seems like we are going to hold. If we get over this 270.60, I'm going to have to close these apples. That would be frustrating, because we had beautiful trades on Google and Reddit and just didn't. I was trying to be way too patient. Watching Target, watching UNH. UNH, what did I have again? 320. 320. And I have a fib right there at 319.98. So, oh, and even better, we had 9 EMA right there. That would be a good short. I'm definitely going to take that once we get there. 320 on UNH. Target's going out. Hey, buddy. I hear you. Okay. Come on. Take this sucker down. Again, another smaller move with an upper wicks and rejection. At some point, they have to lead this lower if they could break below the 268.70. So 268.70. $1 away, but just a level to keep in mind. UNH 320. Keep that in mind. Come on. I'm not going to give a shit. They're not going to give a shit. Come on. Drop Apple. Oh, yeah. I like this, man. I just don't want to add into it anymore. Especially with how it's been exceptionally strong with how we've been moving there. Oh, buddy. What? Hold on. Give me a second. UNH going to that 320. Give me 1 second, guys. Hold on. UNH got smacked before it could get to that 320. What a shame. Still watching Target. We got a new low there on MNQ. Apple is still holding the 2. No curl yet. Okay. Yeah, these are probably down. Yep. Okay. That's fine. Fine to be down on those. Okay, let's see. Just waiting to watch this Apple. Apple still probably leads up a little bit here, but it is slowing down. As you can see, the move is kind of slowing down here. The EMAs are getting closer. That 21 is getting closer every time now because the price action has slowed down, which is what we want to see for a reversal. So give it to us already, baby. Come on. Cut the shit. Cut the shit. There we go, Tark. Come on. Get to the 88. We want to short the shit out of you. Okay, UNH is going to give us an opportunity here. Don't worry. I didn't forget about that giveaway. For the people in here, yes, I'm still in Apple puts. For the people in here, if you can write a comment, I'm going to put everyone's name into a little generator, and then I'm going to do the generator live for that giveaway. So if you guys could please do that. Just type a little comment if you can, so I could put your name into the generator for that giveaway. Okay, Apple, first nice big red. Let's see if they could break it down here and make this 21 start to curl a little bit. UNH is starting to see some rejection here at. I just want to see if this has grown. It definitely grew yesterday. That is yesterday. No, this is today. Okay, so it was -2, -3, and now it's -5. Yeah. Perfect. -6 almost. So this 340. Okay, so watch this UNH. MNQ, new low a day, pushing lower. Target slowing down too. EMAs are still a little far. Apple still trying to hold. Next tape. Okay. We'll do that giveaway in a few minutes here. MNQ still going new lows. Bentley, chill, my brother. That's always barking. My doggy. Okay. Target doing the same thing as last time. Keys is at 581. No spread yet. I want to see if we continue to get more downside and maybe be able to get down here into the 840s and possibly get a put spread, or down into the 800s and get a put spread. I want to give this time. I mean, the volatility is in our favor no matter what, so the premiums are going to be high. Okay. Apple is actually starting to slow down a bit here. Now that EMA is getting really tight. 90 is flat again. May look to add to my Apple. Just give me a minute or two. If we start to see rejection, I will look to add to my Apple. And Q, come on, keep going. Give us a little more. Okay. Getting some weakness here. Let's see. At 565. 565. Probably should have sized him a little smaller to start. Okay, Apple holding up still. Okay, come on. Show us what that wick does, baby. Show us what that wig do. All right, target may not just give us an entry, and I'm perfectly fine. I really wanted to get it closer to that 88, so we have a higher probability of not needing to add into it. Taking that off. I have a Cavapoo and a Cockapoo. Two little baby boys. Okay. Two little baby boys. This could be a good starter here. We already have a situation with Apple, though. Do we want to do that? That's a question. The Apple is actually not that bad. It's coming back. Until it does this, though. With the market dropping until it does that. Fix at highs. Let me do this generator. Give me a second. I will do it in another screen. And then right after that, I have to actually hop off. So I will not be here to continue talking about the Apple trade or UNH trade, but definitely something to keep on watch because I have to get to PT here really quickly. What is this? Generator. Okay, so we have Nigel. Michael. Astro, Katie. Marshy. Just give me 1 second. Rodrigo, Saboya. Mule, Learning Man. And then Jam. Get that upper wick again, but we want it. Okay, so look, the EMAs are getting extremely close now. We need to see a flip. Again, price is getting slower. Wicks are coming in. I know, Bentley. I know, my buddy. Possible reversal candle here, though. 5-minute spinning top, 2 of them. Actually, it's that same setup we talked about before, the evening star. You get the morning star here, but you got to see continuation. Yes, I see you, buddy. Okay. Let me just add this for a second. Okay, you guys should. Hey, I know. Come here. All right. So I have everyone's name here. We have 11 names that commented. Oh, didn't mean to do that. I meant to. I'm going to try to do 1 giveaway a week. And the winner of this week is Marshy. Okay, Marshy, I have to get in contact with you. Do you have, it would be better if you have X. Do you have X, Marshy? If you have X, let me know. The winner is Marshy. So, yes. Actually, even better. Let me do this. Candlestick patterns. I would love for you all to keep this because this is something just key price action. Come here, Bentley. I know. Come here, buddy. Give me a second. Let me pull this up. Okay. We talked about the, spinning top and spinning top. Okay. A red or a green. Now, we talked about the morning doji star, which we just were looking at. And then we talked about the evening doji star, which we talked about before. Here's the morning doji star. Downtrend, red candle, spinning top in between, doesn't really do anything. Then you have a candle that closes above the opening and close of that other candle, and then you got continuation now. Same thing on this end. Where did we see that? Oh, on Apple yesterday. By the way, I'm going to add to my Apple short. Was it the 10-minute? There we go. Okay, evening star. Let's look at this again. Where are we? Right here. Evening star. It doesn't, you see the candle's really small here. It's just an explanation. But evening star. Green, same type of candle, no movement, just chop right there after a major uptrend. You have confirmation of this candle closing under that, or at least closing over halfway of the wick. In this instance, sorry for my 4 million lines, it closed over the candle. In the other instance, it closed halfway of the wick. So that is a setup to definitely watch there for those reversals. Apple was looking weak there. Is starting to get a little spike now because of the market bouncing. EMAs are really tight now. 9's starting to possibly curl. So keep that on watch. I'm watching Apple for added shorts. So I'm going to stop out if we get a 5-minute close or a 2-minute close over 270.60. I do have to hop off here, sadly. I'm sorry. But I am going to stop out if we get there. If we reject, watch the 2 and 3 minute here. If we get under 269.30, I will add to my short. Let me add this. That is your X handle. Can you message me, Marshy, if possible? If you can message me on X, Bull Trade Finder, please, and I could send you that giveaway. It's going to be a free prop firm account. You will get access to a prop firm account. Next week, it'll probably be something different. But this week, it's a prop firm account. If you guys are interested in trading with us, I'm going to be doing spread trades and regular trades. We have that 5K spread challenge starting today. Use code BTF. That ends at 4 p.m. Eastern at bulltradefinder.net. I will catch you guys in a little bit. Marshy, please message me